Okay, today you're going to be making the cell theory anchor chart. Please turn to the next available page in your journal. So your page number should be way different than mine. So cell theory, recognize the components of cell theory 7.12F is what you're writing down first. And then you're going to write cell theory over in the side over here. And you're going to make a brace map. So the little bracket thing. Okay, there's a couple different components of cell theory. The first one says all organisms are made up of one or more cells. All organisms are made up of one or more cells is the first one you're going to write down. And the scientist that is accredited to this, or scientist, is over there. It's, let me turn my notebook so you can see it clearly. So go ahead and write those scientists over there. Now, as far as on your test, you will not need to know those scientists. And it should be Schliemann and Schwann, if I'm saying those correctly. The second component of the cell theory is, the cell is the basic unit of life. The cell is the basic unit of life. So it's the smallest thing that we have that can be living. We have a single-celled organisms that we will talk about this unit. So it is the basic unit of life. Okay, and the last one, all cells come from pre-existing cells. So cells come from other cells. And over to the side, what you're going to write down is those two scientists. Rudolf and Virchow, I think is how you pronounce his name. Okay, you should have just watched the video about what cell theory was, so this is just a recap of what you've learned already from the video. Remember, anytime we make a thinking map, we have to create our so what and our so why. So what and so why. So what? What is this map about? Plants and animals are made up of cells. Plants and animals are made up of cells. So why? Why is this important for us to know? Cell theory explains the importance of cells being the basic unit of life. Cell theory explains the importance of cells being the basic unit of life. Okay, so if there's any point that you missed, you need to go back, but there is all of your thinking map. And make sure that you have it in your notebook and it labeled. I will be doing notebook checks later.